How to create YouTube banner in Canva account. Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to make attractive YouTube banner which you can use on your desktop, tablets and phone, etc. So let's start. First of all, here let's search for the YouTube banner like this. And you can see here Canva gives us the multiple templates which we can use by editing, but the problem is some of are for the free and some of are only for the pro account like this one. Okay, or if you want to make your own banner, you have to click on this blank page and here you can make your own banner. So first of all, let's search for the background. Here you can see the option of the background. There are multiple backgrounds we can use. So let's choose this yellow color. And now I'm going to make a food channel banner. So let's add some foods here. For these we have to go to the elements and here search for the food. See, you can get many options here. Let's choose one by one. First one, let's take this, put it here, make it smaller, and you can also change the position like this. Okay, then let's add some chapati, put it here like this. Then I'm going to add pizza. Okay, now let's add some design. For that I'm going to add some circles here. So let's search for the circle. Let's choose this one. You can change the color from here. I choose this color. Then put it here, make it bigger. And I want this another one, so I copy this circle from here. Then put it here. Again I copy. You can copy anything. Just click on this plus button sign like this and put it here and change the position to the background. You can change the you can change the position of any image like this. Just you have to click on this position. You can change forward, backward, top, middle, center. Okay, it's done. Then again I'm going to copy this and put it here. Again change the position to the backward. Then copy, make it smaller, put it here. Copy, make it smaller, put it here. Copy, make it first of all we have to add frames for the photo in here. So let's add some frame. These are the options of different types of frames. I choose this circle one. Okay, make it smaller like this. Then let's search for the photo here. Go to the photos and search for the girl eating something. Here you can see most of them are for the pro user. So you can also upload a photo from the Google, but I already have a pro account, so I choose this pro photo and put it here like this, and it's done. Now let's write something. To write anything here, we have to go to the text. Here also we can see many options, but some of them are only for the pro user. Let's choose this. First you have to click on this. You can also change the size of your fonts like this, and also change the color of your fonts. Okay, let's write anything. Food channel. You can adjust it like this, make it bigger. Okay, and if you want to add your logos or photos or some tags like subscribe and all, you can also add. Just go to the elements and search for your tag. Let's write subscribe. And you can see the multiple options. Let's choose this. Make it smaller and let's put it here. So guys, by this way you can make your own banner in Canva. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this video. And if you found any valuable information in this video, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.